all right. Good morning, guys. Good morning and welcome back. Ron here once again. And today's daily reminder is it doesn't matter which way it goes. Okay? So basically, what I'm trying to tell you here today, guys, is it doesn't matter which way the market is going to go today. The point is to be able to react and go in whichever way the market wants to go today. If you are day trading and if you're going to be a swing trader, you plan it out accordingly. So that way you know, hey man, if it goes my way, I'm good. If it goes against me, this is my exit, I'm getting out. It doesn't really matter which way the market is going to go. So if you're looking, for example, here, and let's focus on the right edge of the chart, right? Right here, guys, right? Looking at this chart here, this is a daily chart on Amazon. We don't know right here, just looking at this, what is going to do next, right? You can just predict, hey, maybe it's going to go up, maybe it's going to go down. It came back into this little range here that it was stuck in before. What is it going to do? Is it probably going to come back up here, right? But looking at this right here, what is it telling you? What is it telling you that it's going to do the next? What I'm trying to tell you is it doesn't matter. When it opens, just be ready to take action in the proper direction. That's all that matters. So when you plan your trade accordingly, and now you get this massive gap up, are you ready to understand that, hey, this thing is going to go up or this thing is going to go down? As you can see here, it had very little challenge when it comes to the upside, and then it sold off. There was no reason for you not to make a profit on this sell-off here, guys. So all I'm trying to tell you today is don't forget, it doesn't matter which way to go. Go where the market wants to go. Go where the stock wants to go. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.
More money, more money! Ah, it's all very exciting.